Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to be learning another beautiful design of a fascinator headband, and I'm using the Sinamay fabric to achieve this very free-form fascinator hat. And these are the materials I'll be needing for this. I have my Sinamay fabric, my Alice band, and then I have some feathers for this very fascinator. And when you hear a free-form fascinator, it simply means a fascinator that does not require any form of blocking. Okay, so you just create your fascinator with your material. So for this Siname fabric, you'll notice the way I cut it. I've already used the other part for something, so you can see how it looks. Yes, Siname fabrics are cut in bias form. You don't cut it straight like your normal cutting, no. And I will just use this little piece of paper to illustrate it. So you don't cut it this way, no. Instead, you fold it to form a kind of triangular shape, and then you cut out the measurements you need, or you can simply divide it into two and then work with each of them. You cut out the measurements you will need. This is the standard way of working with a Siname fabric. If you do it the other way, you will find out that your designs won't look so nice. So right now I have this Siname fabric, and I'm just going to go ahead to fold in the measurement I will need for this very freeform fascinator, and I'm using about 4.5 inches weight. That is 4.5 inches as the weight. So when I spread it, it will give me 9 inches. So into 2 this way, that's 4.5 weight. Okay, do you understand? Because I folded it into 2, it's giving me 4.5 inches as the weight. Assuming it's spread out, that is 9 inches weight. Okay, thank you all for joining me in today's tutorial. Thank you all my subscribers. If you are new to this channel, my name is Namaka, and I create DIY content on how to make headwear, fascinators, turbans, your garlands. So if this is the type of content you love to see, then go ahead to subscribe to my channel and stay updated once I drop new videos. I share video tutorials every week on new designs, on how to make your headwear designs. So go ahead to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to stay notified once I drop my videos. Okay, so right now I've already cut out my Siname fabric, the one I'll be using to create this very beautiful fascinator. And let me take the measurement of the length, and I'm not going to be starting at that very sharp pointed part. I'm just going to start where the two fabrics meet, and then I have length of 36 inches. That's what I have for the length. So I'll go ahead now to spray some water on my Siname fabric. If you notice, Siname fabric are stiff, so before working with it, you must damp it with water. You must spray water. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use your hand and just sprinkle water on your Siname fabric. Okay, so that you can easily twist it, you can easily work with it without having any form of injury. Okay, so that is simply what I'm doing here. If you enjoy my tutorial, please don't forget to like. Over time I've noticed that you keep liking my videos, and I appreciate you all. Thank you all for visiting my channel and finding value in my content. So right now, can you see what I'm doing? I'm just going to be stretching that upper part. When you do this to your Siname fabric, you will notice that it stretches and then it forms a kind of curve, so that when you work with your Siname fabric, it looks very relaxed. Assuming you want to use it to create something of circular form, just like the fascinator we are about to make, you see that it looks relaxed. If you are forming bows with this, you see that your bow comes out neat without any form of rumple. Okay, so you go ahead to stretch it just I have done in this video. That is what you will do next after cutting out your Sinamay material. Can you see how I am doing this? Please don't miss this step. Okay, so right now I'm just going to the sharp edge of this and I'm just going to trim the two so that they will be equal, and after that we are just going to be folding it inside. You fold it inside, you fold the other end inside, and you know you don't need a fabric glue to hold them together, and I will show you what to do next after doing this. So go ahead to do it for the other end of your Sinamay fabric. Okay, I hope you are following and I hope you are finding value, and if you are finding value, please go ahead to hit the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you have any question at all, please also drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. Okay, so I'm just doing what I did for the other end to this edge as well. Can you see that? I hope you are following. So right now that I am done, next thing to do is to iron. I'm not going to be ironing the whole body of this Sinamay, just that edges that I folded it in. You will notice that I placed a white hanky on my Sinamay fabric. I don't iron direct because when you iron direct over a very heated iron, you find out that the iron in a way is sticking to the Sinamay. So can you see that both of them are merged and you don't need any form of fabric glue to hold them together? So I'm just going to go ahead to also iron this part. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial because I am enjoying teaching you, and I hope you are finding value. So hit the like button. Let's continue. I'm done ironing the two ends, and I'm just going to pick up my needle and thread to create a loose stitch. I will create this loose stitch from this point to the end of my Sinamay, and that is simply what I will do here. So for this very fascinator, is actually a simple hair fascinator which can serve as a fascinator on its own, or you can use it to style your hat. You can use it to style your turban. So it's either you are using it as a fascinator or you are using it as a decoration. So I encourage you to keep watching and keep learning till the end of this tutorial to see how I made this beautiful simple hair fascinator. You can recreate it in any color of choice, in any color combination of choice. Okay, you can even sell it for your personal use or for your business. Okay, so thank you all for joining me. Now I've gotten to the end of this Sinamay. Can you see what it formed? A beautiful base for my feathers. Can you see how it looks? Can you see the pointed parts? How beautiful it looks. So I'm just going to secure my thread right there and then join the two heads and also stitch them to hold it in place. So that is what I'm doing here. I am on Instagram at Naked Collection. So if you love to connect with me, please go ahead to connect with me through the link in the description box. And you can send me a message and I will follow you back. Okay? Let's connect on all other social media platforms. Okay? So right now I have my base. I'm just stitching them together to ensure that it's well stitched before I will go ahead to decorate it. So you keep watching and you keep learning. If you find value, please go ahead to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you all, and if you are yet to subscribe, please consider doing so, because I create well-detailed tutorials on how to make hair fascinators, your turbans, and other headwear designs. Okay, so you keep watching and you keep learning on how I decorated and how I fixed the Alice band.